Terra Classic coin could burn over 90 billion coins in the next 12 months, according to Lunar expert. Now, Terra Classic has been able to destroy over 70 billion in the past 15 months. But recently, immediately after the launch of the Terra Classic task burn, Terra Classic increased the burning rate, and since then, Luna has been able to burn over 40 to 50 billion coins of Terra Classic. Now, experts believe that 90 billion burn is possible within the next 12 calendar months for Terra Classic. Even though that people, holders, community want more. They want Terra Classic to burn more. They want Terra Classic to destroy at least $500 billion. Okay, that is 500 billion. Okay, but based on statistics, real statistics, based on Terra Classic data, the burning rate, so many calculations have been done by experts believing that, look, this coin in 12 months might only burn just 90 billion coins in the next 12 months. So, does it mean this will affect Terra Classic positively or negatively? Is it good for Terra Classic to destroy 12 billion in the next 12 months? Now, when you take a look at Terra Classic, this is a coin that right now is not really doing well. So, for a coin that needs more people, more buyers to come and buy and store, more staking to increase, for a coin that need to rise, for a coin that need to maintain their position or even climb up in the crypto ranking, they need to burn more than this. They need at least 500% of 90 billion burn. So Terra Classic needs to burn at least 450 billion. That way, Luna will attract a lot of people. That way, Luna can rise, and more burning will even they're going to burn more when people start trading this coin. So 90 billion in 12 months is not really good. So if let's assume that truly Terra Classic will be burning the next 12 months 90 billion, definitely I will go ahead and sell all my Terra Classic coin. No matter the amount that is remaining there, I'll have to totally pull out of Terra Classic, because I don't see what 90 billion can do for a coin with over 6.8 trillion, and you're talking about 90 billion. Definitely, it will not affect Terra Classic anyhow. It means in the next 12 calendar months, Terra Classic will be trading at the level it is. It means in the next 12 calendar months, Terra Classic will find it difficult to rise. Terra Classic might even drop more if they fail to increase their burning rate, if they fail to attract more investors. So for me, I don't see Terra Classic doing much more within the next 12 months with these statistics. So these statistics is totally no for me. The only thing I believe that Lunas just have to look for different means on how they can attract people, how they can move higher in crypto ranking, how they can move higher in crypto industry. So if they want to focus on the burning of Terra Classic, I don't think the burning can do that alone. So they need higher companies. They need crypto industries and crypto companies to come to and support this coin. If they can get more crypto companies coming in to support Terra Classic, then believe me, it will help the coin. Because when you talk about individuals trading and investing on Terra Classic, very few people are doing that right now, because Terra Classic have just 29,000 wallets, and most of these wallets have just few coins. But when you mention top investors, a single investor can invest over $5 million to $10 million on Terra Classic LLC. So this is the reason why most people always hope to get top organizations, top industries to keep on supporting their coin. Anyhow it is, let's watch and see how it goes. But at least they've been able to recover slowly from the last 4 days crypto crash. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Thank you for stopping by, and hopefully that Luna will turn around. That is what we hope for.